This is a brief update of the CXDemo system. We have successfully implemented Packaged Contact Center Enterprise in the CXDemo system in Richardson. And with that successful deployment, we have migrated the networking portion to the Cisco corporate lab network environment, which will require corporate network access, CVO, Cisco VPN, or direct corporate network access to access the demo system and successfully demo the system. We posted a Getting Started guide to the iWE WebEx Social CIS demo page that includes everything you need to get started with the system. You'll need corporate access, as I mentioned earlier, and then directions are here on how to register your IP communicator, a hard phone, and optionally a second hard phone for your agent and supervisor environment, and what is required to do that. We've also let you know that you will retain a DID number. Typically this will be a 214-570-12XX number, which will be provided to you, 2 agent IDs and a supervisor ID, 3 5-digit extensions to match the agent and supervisor IDs, and 3 extensions for any phones you need to register. Setup here is included on the IP communicator, Finesse, the supervisor desktop, and the supervisor desktop for the agents. Now I will take you through a brief demo of the Finesse supervisor desktop and then the packaged contact center administration page. Thank you. And now let's take a look at the standard Finesse supervisor desktop in the packaged contact center enterprise solution deployed in the CXDemo system in Richardson, Texas. Notice that this is the standard Finesse supervisor desktop with the team performance and the Q statistics gadget that are currently available in the 9.0 release. In addition to that, we have the standard agent state controls, as well as the standard call controls, the ability to make a call. Looking at the team performance gadget, we have Agent 1 in the not ready state, and we have the supervisor also in the not ready state. And we have monitoring in the queue statistics gadget, a couple of different queues, and we have one call that is in queue for the precision queue 214. We're going to go and make the agent ready, place them in the ready state from the supervisor desktop so that they're now reserved and have answered the call. On the call, we can exercise the standard contact center traditional features such as silent monitoring. So now I can select the agent and I can start the silent monitoring session. After starting the silent monitoring session, the voice packets were actually redirected to the supervisor's Cisco IP phone, in this case a 7975. I can exercise call control over the silent monitoring session, disconnect it or place it on hold, and I can look at the call variables that came in with the caller. This is a look at the standard supervisor desktop. Thank you. And finally, we'll look at the Packaged Contact Center Enterprise web-based administration tool. And here we see a list of capacity rules that, as a standard screen, this identifies the number of actual configured agents. So far to date, we have configured 225. Some of the other highlights of the administration tool is the ability to go in and look at components within the system that are configured. For example, I can go into the list of 225 agents that are currently configured and then search on the agents dynamically as I type. So in this case, I've drilled down to all of the agents that are assigned to me, and I can look at an individual agent, their desk settings, the attributes that they are assigned, and notice that we are utilizing precision routing in the routing strategy for contact center, package contact center enterprise. And that's denoted by the attributes here. Other things, if skills are assigned, you can look at that. Let's go back now and look at the precision queues and how they are defined. So here, as before, we can go in and start to search on dynamically on the list. In this case, I've pulled up my precision queue, and we can look at that. Routing on the longest available agent. You also have the capability of most skilled and least skilled, the capability of adding a step to the precision queue, and then adding an expression to that step as well. So just a couple of highlights on the Package Contact Center Administration tool. Check back with us frequently on the IWE page. We do plan to extend the capabilities of Package Contact Center Enterprise fairly rapidly, so we'll be adding additional features and functionality as time goes by. Thanks for viewing this video, and talk to you later.